Hi guys, welcome back to X2C Garage, and the Geo Metro is back in the shop because in the last video we did the brakes on it, the front brakes anyways. We put new pads and rotors on it, and as well as rebuilding those calipers because one was hanging up and it was pulling hard left. But in this video we are going to be addressing these nasty marker lights because I think it'll make it look a little bit better, and it'll help project the light more onto the road, I guess, even though these aren't really projecting onto the road. So yeah, if you watched that brake maintenance video, I might have showed, I'm not 100% sure, it was a little while ago, that when my dad closed the hood, the lens on this one fell off and broke in half. Now that's not his fault. These are pretty old and they became delaminated and all that kind of stuff. So I bought these for I think it was like 30 bucks. They are brand new marker lights. I got a pair of them for 30 bucks and they come with bulbs. And it was a really good deal. I'm not exactly sure where I got them from. Oh, you know what? I got them from Amazon. So yeah, it's quite a difference of what they look like. The other side is just like this one. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and throw those on real quick. All you need really is to change these is just a Phillips screwdriver. There's a Phillips screw right there. And there's another one inside the fender. It's a little harder to get to, but I'll have to pull it or pop this hood to show you a better look at that. So I'm going to clean off this hood and I will get you a better look at the screw under here. Alright, so the one that is in here is right there. It's not that hard to get to, but it's sunk in there a little ways. So we'll go ahead and pop this one and that one out. Then I believe that should be all that's holding it in. And we can unplug it and reinstall the new one. Alright, like I said before, we're going to pop these little screws out here and try not to lose them because they're tiny. Just going to stick them in my pocket. Probably block the camera a little bit if I do that. I don't know if it's the primer they used or this thing from the front fenders forward used to be painted red because all over it's got red paint scuff marks on it all over. So alright, just grab it and pull it right out. Now, okay, so really I guess find where it's plugged in at, just way down inside there, and grab that. There's a little clip you gotta press down to release the plug. Yeah, it's a little difficult. If I can get myself some more lead here, if I can bring the plug out a little further, just like that. So I don't know if you can see that or not, but I got to press that little tab down inside there. I might just realize I think my hat was blocking the camera a little bit. There, just like that. And this one might save the bulb because that was still good. They both worked, so I don't think I'll throw the bulbs away. Alright, got our brand new light here. And just set it up there. Where'd the plug go? There it is. If I can't grab that. Tight space. Probably not the best camera angle, but try and do better on the other side. Alright, so this should plug right in, just like that. Pull that wire back through, and see if we can't get it lined up. Why is this not fitting? There we go. Nice and snug. Got a screwdriver. And we can test them out. Let's see, does it work? Oh yeah, that looks much better. So it like fills the whole area instead of just being the little bulb. Cool, so let's head over to the passenger side and get that one changed. Alright, so as you can see, this one's not in much better shape than that other one was. There's that tab in case you couldn't see on the last one. Alright, just parking lamps. Oh yeah, that's much better. Uh-oh. That was working a few seconds ago. Do brights work?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
The wall took a crap.
Yeah, that sucks.
Or the wire, cause I got two, no, it's just got one more.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there's definitely a little bit of corrosion on there.
Yeah, just, you gotta work. When we do it, I'll take it over to the polisher and just knock the tips of those.
Alright, yeah.
And I would check the plug, get that WD that's in the green thing for cleaning contact points.
Yeah.
See how green those are?
Yeah. It's like almost, it's a little lighter than the paint actually. It's like a old penny. If you found one that wasn't kept in very good shape, it like corrodes like that. So I'm gonna find some special WD-40 that we have that helps clean the connections for electrical things. Alright, this stuff here is WD-40 contact cleaner. Supposedly quick drying. So we're gonna go ahead and shoot some on this thing. Let that dry. I'm gonna wipe my hands off. Might as well wipe this trim ring off while we're in here.
There you go. So just spray those up?
Yep. Alright, just like that. Dad took this over to the wire wheel on the bench grinder and cleaned all these little connections up. So hopefully we should have a more solid connection here. Put this thing in and we'll give it a quick little test to see if it did anything.
Still did leak.
Man.
They're just not making a good connection.
Okay.
So you gotta get those probes a little cleaner.
Alrighty, so I took a little bit of this carburetor choke and throttle body cleaner, sprayed it in that plug, and then took this pick and rubbed it around on the inside on those little receptacles. Hopefully to chip away and remove some of that oxidation that was on those. It works real good now. No issues. So we're going to go ahead and throw this thing back together. Alright, now we can actually close the hood and try again. Set this stuff on the bench. Parking lamps, lights, brights. Alright, looks like they work, so I'm going to call that a success. Also, since the last video, I've done a little bit of painting, I guess. I put a couple more decals on it as well. I got Royal Purple to send me some because I emailed them and said how much I like their product because we put some gear oil in the Mustang, and I put those on there. I found those GoPro ones. I painted its name on it. A couple just random things, I guess. And then, yeah, same over here. So yeah, I guess that is going to do it for this week's episode of X2Z Garage. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And hopefully you go check out some of our other stuff. As like, subscribe, comment what you think about this car. And I'll see you next week.